Calvin, can you keep the ball on the board? That's perfect. You're doing such a good job, buddy. You're so helpful. I'm Marnie Hannell, and I'm the co-author of the Campfire Cookbook. Today I'm going to be cooking out of my Little Sous kit with my sons. This is...
James.
How old are you?
4.5.
And who are you?
2.
You are 2, and what's your name? That's right. Okay guys, should we start cooking?
Yeah.
Can you take this spoon and give me chili powder? And the next thing we need is cumin.
Human.
Perfect. And then the next thing we need, we're gonna use salt. Great, and how about some pepper? And now we need a big pinch of oregano. Who wants to mix it up with this whisk? That looks good, Cal. See how the colors are all coming together? Now we have our spicy spices. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our vegetables ready. What is this one?
Pepper.
And what color is it?
Red.
So this pepper has a stem right here, and then it has seeds on the inside. And we're not gonna eat the stem or the seeds.
Yeah.
We're just gonna cut off the sides and then slice it up.
Yeah.
Let me show you how this works. So you just, this is a cool kid's knife. I like it.
Seeds.
See, so the seeds are in there, but we have this nice side that we can slice now. So what's in here?
Chicken.
Chicken! We're gonna put it in this big bowl. So you're gonna shred it up. Use those fingers. The idea is when you're camping, it can be really nice just to have a few simple things that come together. And if you have cooked chicken, your dinner will cook a lot quicker. Okay, I need one person to mix things up with this spoon, and one person to dump in the spices. Good job. And then we're gonna add some olive oil. That looks good. So what vegetables do you think you want in here? How about some of our beautiful peppers? Want to throw some of those in there? Do you want to add in the red onions? If you don't like red onions, maybe you like, what's this one?
Corn. I love corn.
Yeah, you love corn. So can you put some of that corn in there too? How about these peppers? Do you want to put this rice in there?
Yeah.
Can you dump that rice in there, Cal? Oh, you're doing a great job, Cal. That looks really good. The next thing we need is a square of tin foil for Calvin. Parchment paper just goes on top. The next thing we do is put the cheese on top. Here's a nice slice of Tillamook sharp cheddar. Yummy. This is an important part. We are gonna put these in our campfire, so we need to make sure that they don't get burned. And we're gonna do that by folding it into a foil packet. So you pick up these two sides like this. Perfect. And then what you wanna do is you wanna fold it once, you fold it twice, and then you do the same thing on the ends. Just
I'm
fold
not
them
so
up.
good at it.
Oh, I think you're good at it.
It's like mail.
It does look like mail. So we're gonna put these on our campfire. All right, guys, so our packets are no longer that hot, so we can open them up. Can you open it all the way up? Oh, wow, look at it.
Why?
What do you think? Here's your tortilla.
My tortilla.
And then you can take your fork and you can put a nice fajita. You can put these inside your tortilla. Do you want some sour cream? You want some sour cream? Yum. And then do you want some not so spicy salsa?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you tuck up the bottom like this, it won't fall out the other
We
end.
made real good packets.
You really made a really good packet. I so agree.